Okay, so for all of them, make sure you distribute first. Especially if you have to distribute twice. So doing all these first on all of them. And then combining all the terms together. So first step, always distribute. So we have 6 plus what, 24k plus 6k. Same thing we just did above, now we're just going to have equals negative 144, right? Variables combined together. 30k. Bring everything else down. 6 plus, and it equals negative 144. And now it's ready to solve. So you might remember we subtract 6 on both sides. You start with the addition subtraction. At 0. So we have 30 times what equals a negative 150. 30 times what is negative 150? Divide by 30 both sides. K equals negative 5. So we just really practiced to get here, but yeah, there's still a few more steps. Remember, do addition, subtraction. This is a positive, so we do a minus. This is multiplication, so I divided. Could also multiply by the reciprocal, 1 over 30 on both sides. All right. So over here we got 25v minus 5. Bring down the 6v. Plus sign equals 243. We got 6v plus 25v is 31v minus 5. Now, if anything else, focus on your organization on your paper. You notice how I don't squeeze everything together. I kind of combine these two together and put 31v in the middle. The negative 5 I drop straight down. It's not like moved over to the left, but keeping it very organized. If anything else, you can work on that. So 248 is 31 times what? And if you do the calculations, or if you use the calculator, yeah, v equals 8. Negative 12n minus 8. Bring down the equals negative 104. This one we didn't have to combine any terms. So it was a little bit simpler. Fewer steps. So negative 12 times what is negative 96. Right. Divide both sides by negative. Is the answer positive or negative? Positive. Good. Negative divided by negative is positive 8. Good. And this is what your homework will be. Solving with parentheses, combine like terms, and then the two-step add, subtract, and then divide. Let's do a few with the double parentheses. 12n minus 24 plus 6 minus 12n, right? Bring down the negative 18 equals. Variables cancel out. No variables in this answer. What does that mean? There's no variables in this answer. So what does this conclusion mean? What's the conclusion here? There's no variables. Is it a no solution or all reals, and how can you tell? All reals because, yeah, they're equal. All real numbers, all reals numbers. Okay. Yep. So if this was 18 positive and this was negative, then it would be a no solution. It would be different numbers. So when they're the same, it's all real. And we looked at that on Friday and why that's true. All right. Just a few more, finishing it up, and you guys can get going to start. So my hope was that the practice today really made this boring, in a way. Meaning it's so easy, it's just routine, you don't have to think about it, right? It's just multiplying and adding is what we're doing today. We can multiply and we can add, we can do this. Uh, 16? I can write that here. Positive 2. And our last one. Let's combine this. Now, on number 24, is this going to be a no solution? Because we get 0 on both sides. That means it's a no solution? No. Only if the variable comes out to 0 could it be a no solution all reals. So go back above. If the variable cancels out to 0, then you have a special case. If the number cancels out to 0, the answer is just 0. This is asking negative 44 times what is 0? That's 0. Negative 44 times 0 is 0. You can still show that by dividing both sides by negative 44, and 0 divided by anything is 0. So don't confuse the variables equal 0 and having a no solution all reals with the numbers equaling 0 and your answer is just 0. There's a difference. There's a difference of having no answer and having an answer of 0. Okay. Small but important detail. Okay. If that's your assignment, hopefully that's good enough practice. You'll whiz right through the homework assignment.